Привет.
Hello everybody.
Что мы тут видим?
So what do we see here?
Мы
We
тут
see
видим
a handmade set.
набор ручной работы. Очень эксклюзивный.
Very exclusive.
Сделан этот набор для замков.
This set is made for locks, such locks as multi-lock,
Rav-Bariach.
multi-lock classic, interactive, Rav-Bariach.
MTL,
In general for 5 pins.
Аналогичные.
For MTL 300, 400 and
вот
similar.
эти вот две клюшки,
But these two
они по сути
sticks,
универсальные.
two hooks, they are
То есть они будут работать не
essentially
только на
universal.
мультилоках, они
That is,
будут
they
работать
will work not only
много.
for multi-locks,
То есть, по сути,
they will work in
набор,
many
сделанный как
cases.
бы одновременно и для мультилоков.
That is, in fact, although the set is made for multi-locks, it is also kind of universal.
Он просто невесомый.
The weight of the hook, it is simply
Даже нельзя
weightless.
ощутить вес. Он настолько
That
легкий,
is, you can't even feel the weight. It is so light, very light, and this increases very strong sensitivity. Flat hook, very convenient to work with. This is, let's say, exclusive. At the moment, it is limited in quantity. They are in stock now, but sometimes it may happen that they will not be in stock because it is all handmade. This is checked and adjusted manually. This tool is not for everyone. It is, let's say, for professionals, from professionals to professionals. The tool is not cheap. What else can I say about it? Basically, that's all the main thing I said. The tool is awesome, and the price you can find on our website.
Все будет на сайте и все будет на видео. Пока.